How to make presentation on ChatGPT to Canva. Need a quick presentation about ChatGPT? Let's generate content with ChatGPT and design it in Canva. So step 1, ask ChatGPT to outline your slides. It can generate bullet points for introduction, features, use cases, limitations, and conclusion. Now, copy the text for each slide. Keep it short and clear, avoid long paragraphs. Go ahead and open up Canva, and then from here, go ahead and click on this create button, which you should find at the top left of your screen. And then go ahead and head over to the presentations tab, and then select this presentation format. Now, if you want to use a template, if you don't have a design in hand, what you can do is to head over to the templates tab and then set it to presentation, and then select the template you want to use for your presentation. So for example, you want your presentation to look creative. Simply select this and then click on this customize template button and then change the text on this template to fit your presentation. Now, once you're done, you can go ahead and export this as a PPT. And that is how to make presentation on ChatGPT to Canva.